Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this rose gold eyeshadow look, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. First I'm going in with my Black Radiance HD primer. Then I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel to just prime my eyelids. Next I'm going in with this LA Colors matte eyeshadow in this shade Foxy, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the concealer. For my transition shade, I'm going to be going in with another LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden, and I'm just going to go ahead and warm up my crease. And I apologize if my voice sounds a little bit hoarse, but I randomly caught a cold yesterday, but I'm going to keep on pushing. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Ebony, and I'm just going to deepen my crease color. And mainly all the products I'm going to be using in this video are drugstore, with the exception of my foundation, concealer, and my lipstick. Alright, boom. So now I'm going to be taking the Glam palette for LA Colors, and I'm just going to be placing that salmon shade on my lid, all over like the top portion of my lid. Now I'm just going to go ahead and blend that back out so we can make sure that everything is looking good and blended out together. Who wants to go on a date with unblended eyeshadow, sis? I know I don't. And then I'm going to be taking that lighter salmon shade and putting that on top to make the eyeshadow a little bit brighter, make it pop. Next, I'm going in with the shade Whispers, pretty pink pale color, and I'm going to put that on top of the two colors that I already placed on my lid. Now I'm going to be taking this hot pink color from that same palette, and I'm going to go back in my crease and go ahead and deepen that out. Now we're almost done. To complete this eye look, I'm going to go in with some liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to go in with one of my favorite drugstore mascaras of all time, my Maybelline Great Lash in Blackest Black, and apply some mascara before applying my lashes. What are you guys' plans for Valentine's Day? I know I won't probably be going out, but comment below. Let me know what you guys are doing. Now I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow, and I'm going to get ready to apply my lashes. These are Broadway lashes. I'm not sure what the style is, but I'm going to try to find it and put it in the description bar below. Moving on to my favorite part, foundation. I'm going to be taking the 3D Contour Cream palette by Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to be going in and applying my color corrector all over my face wherever I have dark marks. Goodness. Next, I'm going in with my favorite foundation at the moment, my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm just going to use my beauty blender to pounce that all over my skin. Y'all, I can't believe I'm sick right before Valentine's Day. Like, imagine living your best life and then boom, you sick right before Valentine's Day. I can't even kiss my imaginary man now. Like, what? Let me stop. I play entirely too much. All we know is blend, right? Blend, 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 blend. Got to blend that out. Now I'm going back in with my NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel to just highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my Cupid's bow, and underneath my chin. And I'm just going to blend that out with my Beauty Blender again. Then I'm going back with my 3D Contour Cream Palette, and I'm going to choose the darkest shade and go ahead and contour my face. Now I'm going in with my Airspun powder, and I'm going to bake my under eye concealer and everywhere else that I highlighted. And I love this powder. Literally, I have had this powder for so long, and it works so good. Like, it doesn't make me oily at all. Here's me being a creep. Creep squad, no HUD. Fun fact, he actually attended my college alma mater, and I got a picture with him at homecoming. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance pressed powder again in the shade Ebony to set the contour cream. And I'm just going to take the same brush and dust off the excess loose powder. Oh. And because dancing made me thirsty, I had to drink my Calypso. Then I'm going back in to redefine my eyebrows with the same concealer as always, my NARS concealer. Uh-oh. This face is coming together. Now I'm going to mist my face with my H2O Oasis Mist Setting Spray and just fan that out so that I can go ahead and dry. Next, I'm going to be highlighting Honey with my Colourpop Kaepop collection Glow Up. This is no longer, I believe it's no longer in stock on the Colourpop website because I got this so long ago. Literally one of my favorite highlighters. I love this highlighter. Karuchi did her thing. Then I'm going in underneath my eyes with this brown eyeliner to just line my lower lash line. Next, I'm going in with another brown lip pencil to line my lips before I put on my Nude lipstick by Kat Von D, her liquid lipstick in Ludwig. Next, I'm going to be using this LA Colors Babypop lip gloss in the shade Nude. It did not show up as a gloss on me. It's more like a liquid lipstick. Fluff hair, and there you have it. You're looking at an instant Valentine's Day snack and meal, okay? All of the product info for this look will be in the description bar below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Until next time.